everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Since I had my flood, if you guys don't know, I had a flood on Friday and I hardly got anything ruined. I mean, boxes were mostly ruined than anything of my stuff, and whatever stuff got ruined is just garbage. I don't give a crap. But I did get a lot of my paper products destroyed. Like when I lifted it up, they were all soaking wet. I mean, they just absorbed all the water. So now I have to get some more paper products. Like if you guys watch my cleaning video that I haven't posted yet for the end of the month, you will see that I was all excited about my cleaning products, and then they all get ruined. So yeah, so I'm just gonna share with you guys what I got. It's a pretty good deal. Funny thing is, like, all my reusable bags were all in my little stock pile area, and so then when we had to put everything away, I lost all my bags. So I'm like just scrounging around. So my store still had stuff that was 80% off, so I just wanted to grab some stuff because I had some registry awards that were expiring and I wanted to get those used up. So I, don't lose them. So one couple things that I got is I found this Baby Shark coloring book. This was on clearance for 59 cents. I've been actually eyeing this up, and I'm like, for 59 cents for a huge coloring book, Benjamin is hardcore about coloring lately. I thought, I'm gonna get that. I got some labels. I always need labels. I had some ones that I bought at Walmart I bought them like Walmart a year or so ago, and when I peeled them off, they just like come off, like they fell apart. So I'm hoping these are a little bit better, but these look like really nice labels. So these were on clearance for 49 cents. So I'm like, I'll get those for 49 cents. I got some stress squishies. I'm just using these because I just want to, my hands are starting to hurt and I just like to squish this stuff all day long. So these were $4.99. I got them for 99 cents. I'm like, you know what, this is fine, it's great. Oh, feels so good on my fingers. So I got that. I got this for a birthday party we're going to soon. This was originally $6.99 and I got it for $1.39, so I thought that's kind of cute. It's just like a little Mega Bloks Thomas, super cute. And then my mom's always complaining. Okay, so my mom shops for clothes for us for Christmas, because we're at that age where she just buys us clothes, and she's like, man, they never give us boxes anymore, like I'm so disappointed. So I got her a pack of 12 boxes for to put clothes in. So this was originally $5.99 and I got it for $1.19. I'm like, here you go, mother, you can have that. So she can have that. It is currently 11 degrees outside, you guys. It is so cold that the snow is like frozen everywhere. So everything's like, whatever didn't get off the ground yesterday, like froze to the ground. So like certain areas are really bad. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you guys my haul. I ended up getting Dixie Plates. These were $3.99. I actually wanted to get the napkins. I didn't have any coupons for it, but sorry, my strap's like in the way. I didn't have any coupons for it, but that I was going to use a digital, and when I scanned the napkins didn't pop up because the napkins are $2.99 and they're buy one get one free. So if you guys have that coupon, you guys can get them for like $1 a piece, which is a better deal than going to the Dollar Tree. But the Dixie Plates, I love these plates. These were $3.99. Buy one, get one free. You guys want to use a $1 off a 2 coupon. I used a digital. So you guys would get these for just $2.99 or like $1.50 a piece. I ended up getting the bigger plates because, pizza season, well, every day is pizza season, but I just wanted to get some bigger paper plates because the smaller ones are good, but I feel like the bigger ones, Graham loves the bigger ones, so we got that. Now I ended up doing the Colgate deal, and my registry reward did not print off. I had a couple problems, but I didn't realize this until after I left the store that it didn't print off, but you know what, that's okay. I'll just go to the Catalina company and submit it, and they'll send me my registry reward. So these were $3.99, okay? I used a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that we got today. Otherwise, there are some inserts that you guys can use, or not inserts, some coupons that are available on coupons.com. But you guys would pay $6.97 for all 3 of these. then you guys would get a $5 register reward, making it $1.97 or just 65 cents a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Okay, you guys, sorry, I forgot to do my math. Like, I did the math, and then I forgot to, like, add everything up for my end of the video. So I ended up getting the Irish Springs. Now, the first time I've ever seen the coupons combined. So you guys can mix and match whatever you guys want to do with those coupons. You could do one Irish Spring and one soft soap. It's up to you guys what you guys want to do. But the Irish Spring and the soft soap are $3.99. You guys want to use two 75-cent off coupons. Now, they're also digital, so if you guys want to go digital, go for it. But yeah, two 75-cent off coupons. You would pay $6.48 for the for two of them. But then you guys will get 5,000 points when you guys buy two. You guys can pay with points and get points, but the final price would be $1.48 or just 74 cents a piece, which is an okay deal. I mean, usually you get these for this price anyways. And you guys can do this deal as many times as you want. It's up to you guys, and this counts towards beauty, so go ahead and do that. I got the Revlon deal. Now, this one didn't print off either, and then she like fixed something and it printed off. So the Revlon lip are $8.99. They were buy one get one never mind. They're $8.99. Now, there is a deal with if you spend $15 or more, you'll get a $10 register reward. So you guys basically want to use that buy one get one free coupon that we have. You would pay $8.99, but you would get a $10 register reward. Really? I'm like, where are my $10 register rewards? The $10 register reward, making this a $1 moneymaker. So you guys will get these absolutely for free. And here is the $10 register reward. And then also, when she scanned it, before she even put any coupons in, I have this $5 off your next purchase. Now, I don't know if it has, okay, so it has to be off of Revlon or Almay lip products, okay? So it's lip products. So I don't know if whatever prints off, but I bought lip, so it came off. And this doesn't expire till the end of February 29th. So if you guys buy lip products, be prepared to get that coupon. That coupon will help us out in the long run. So you guys want to go ahead and do that. Also did the L'Oreal. Now, is it Elvive or Aleve? I always say Aleve, but I'm thinking probably of that stupid pills, but I think it's Elvive. So, gotta get it in my head. But these were two for $8. I did not have any coupons, but I did have a digital for 4 off of 2. Plus, there is also a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for $1, and it'll take off $1 for each one. I think is what it does. Yeah. So you guys will get these for $1 a piece, which I think is a pretty great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I get a kick out of this. You know how they have like makeup that says if you open it, you got to use it within a year? The shampoo is even like that, even though your hands really don't touch it. That's kind of weird. Okay, so we got that. And then the last deal I got was the Palmolive dish soap. Oh, nope, I got a couple more things for you guys. But I got the Palmolive dish soap. Now, this was $1.99. I used a 50-cent off coupon. The $1 off coupon is for a bigger bottle, but I really need hand soap because I've hand washed dishes like crazy, especially with Charlotte's bottles. So, $1.49 if you guys want to go ahead and do that. And like I said, I had to get paper products earlier. So the Scott paper towels and the Scott toilet paper. These are right always $5, okay? Right now there is a deal in the Walgreens booklet where you guys can get $1.25. But we also got some 50-cent off coupons, I think from like 2 weeks ago. So you guys want to use $5, use the 50-cent off coupon, use the $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for $3.25. But then you guys can also submit to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get 500 points, which is basically 50 cents back. But without Fetch Rewards, it comes out to be $3.25. With Fetch Rewards kind of factored in, it's $2.75. So go ahead and do that if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Like I said, people just keep messaging me like crazy. I've been selling stuff like from our flood. I've been selling stuff and people are just like da 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 da. So that is the beeping noise that you guys hear. So my total came to $35.68. Now I did pay with a lot of register rewards, but those register rewards are not factored in this total. I took those off. But $35.68, I ended up getting $15 worth of points. I got 5,000 points for buying 2 of the Irish Springs, 5,000 points for buying 2 of the soft soap, and then I hit beauty, so I got another 5,000 points. I ended up getting that $10 register reward, plus I will be submitting to the Catalina company for the $5 register reward for the Colgate. So my total came to $5.68. Even without that $5 register reward factored in, 10 bucks for all that stuff is still a pretty good deal. But $5.68, I got 23 items. Everything came out to be a quarter. So I will take that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.